Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why does Egypt support Israel. Focus on diplomatic, security, economic, and regional balance points as I walk you through the main drivers. I will describe how the peace treaty, intelligence sharing, trade ties, and border security all fit together into a pragmatic policy. Expect clear examples, simple explanations, and how these factors shape Egypt's actions without heavy jargon or theory. In this video, I will explain why does Egypt support Israel. Next, we zero in on security ties and why they matter in practice. I will explain how intelligence sharing, joint concerns over Sinai militants, and coordinated border operations create a security interdependence. These measures reduce violence, protect tourism and energy routes, and let both capitals manage crises without turning to open conflict, keeping the neighborhood more predictable. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making focused explainers. Quick recommendation. I recently switched to leak-proof containers that make meal prep simple and spill-free, perfect for commuting or busy study sessions. They save time and reduce stress when packing lunches related to busy research or work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain why does Egypt support Israel. Now we cover diplomacy and economic incentives that underpin policy choices. I will outline how the peace treaty secures predictable borders, attracts investment, and enables energy deals and tourism revenue. Egypt also leverages ties to act as a mediator, preserving regional influence while avoiding costly confrontations. These practical advantages help explain a cautious, cooperative stance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.